progress report, made the slider for the master stateroom, attended the Michelson owner meeting, sent the frames off to China, made 8 cabinet doors, put hinges on 8 cabinet doors, finished the trim, had a door couldn't fix, captain's chair pedestal, made a door for the galley, cedar the closet and the guest, put on the snaps in the transom, did my own varnish, put snaps up at the fly bridge, started on the covers for the transom, got the carpet laid throughout, got the table down, made a new frame, got the frame, and then doing all the window for the escape hatch, put a new shelf and a bar on there, and the table pedestals, finishing off the drawers. There's the tabletop, all done. The slider doors, varnishing myself. You can see the varnishing results are wonderful. Had to let the varnisher go. It's faster to do it myself.